Two cybersecurity giants face off. One big question, which one really delivers? On the left, ESET, ultralight, multi-layered cyber protection. And on the right, Trend Micro, smart, simple security for modern threats. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Okay, here's the game plan. We're going to look at core protection, performance impact, features, price and ROI, deployment and management, customer support, OS compatibility, and finally, user ratings and reputation. Basically, all the stuff you should care about before picking an antivirus.
First up, core protection. So, ESET brings multi-layered defense with AI, heuristics, you name it. It's genuinely impressive at stopping ransomware and phishing. It's almost like having a cyber bouncer. The only thing I wish was better, their advanced reporting and real-time monitoring could use a glow-up. Now, Trend Micro also rocks the whole multi-layer thing. It goes hard blocking malicious sites, way ahead of time. But sometimes, the system can get a little jumpy, tossing out a few false positives. At the end of the day, honestly, these two are equally tough. It's a tie.
Okay, let's talk performance impact. ESET is, well, super chill. It barely sips on your system resources, so even older laptops don't feel like they're running in molasses. Seriously, the smoothness is real. Trend Micro? It covers you reliably, but, and this is important, if you're a gamer or you hate lag, you'll notice it working. Sometimes, probably a bit too much. Winner for keeping things light, ESET. Features! ESET has cloud-based scanning, network attack defenses, and, if you're splurging, disk encryption. The management console for business is legit, but, most cloud bells and whistles are paywalled up in the higher tier plans. Trend Micro goes all in here. PayGuard lets you do online banking securely, plus there's automated protection for your cloud apps. Think Gmail and Office 365. Also, you get auto scan and sneaky behavior detection. Downside, if you're a tinkerer, not much to customize. For sheer feature overload, Trend Micro steals this round. Oh, and here's something cool you probably never knew. ESET's been fighting viruses since way back in 1987. That's dinosaur era for tech. Also, get this, Trend Micro actually started out by protecting floppy disks against boot sector viruses. Who else remembers floppy disks, right? Now, let's talk price and ROI. ESET comes in with competitive pricing, like noticeably easier on the wallet for the basic security suite. Performance for what you pay? Solid. It's a win for small businesses too, but those fancy extras cost more. Trend Micro. It's a bit steeper, but you get those nifty advanced features, especially if your business is all about security. Value's there if you need the added oomph, but you pay more up front. For most folks, ESET's the clear value winner. Deployment and management time. ESET makes life stupid easy. Smooth deployment, painless updates, and a dashboard that actually makes sense. You get detailed reporting, though hardcore IT types might want even more depth. Trend Micro's setup is also snappy, and managing events or policies, no sweat. It vibes with SMBs thanks to the cloud integration, but as you scale up, the console starts feeling cramped. So, ESET takes this category, barely.
How about customer support?
ESET is straight up top tier for helping you get set up, troubleshoot, or just answering those panicky emails fast. Trend Micro support isn't bad, it's mostly responsive, but some folks have flagged delays in getting help when it counts. The winner here is ESET. OS compatibility. ESET works everywhere. Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, the whole shebang. Trend Micro backs up Windows and Mac strongly, plus it's cool on mobile. Really, for most people, both options are a safe bet here. It's a tie. Last, user ratings and reputation. ESET is known for being super user-friendly and quick, which users love. Trend Micro scores big for how packed it is with features, though reviewers sometimes poke at its false positives. Reputation-wise, they're side by side. It's a draw. Let's lay out all those strengths side by side in a radar chart. You'll see ESET dominating the speed and price categories, while Trend Micro really flexes in features and web protection. It's a pretty close race across the board, honestly. So, after running through everything, here's where I land. If you want something snappy, lightweight, and good bang for your buck, especially for home use or smaller businesses, ESET's your go-to,
no questions asked. Now, if you need solid web and banking security, or you're running a business obsessed with cloud safety and deeper threat tools, Trend Micro is going to be the better pick. Both solid, just different strengths.
Still torn?
Definitely check out their official sites. You can jump on demos and free trials before you commit. Stay smart and stay protected out there.